guys, hey, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, my name is Chev, aka that's sSOOOChev, and to my returning subscribers, hey. So today is a little family day. We are on our way to the beach, but we're getting some grocery first. I have to make sure food is in the house, right? Yeah. So that's what we're doing right now. I don't know which beach we're going. I don't know where we're going just yet. So we will, when we're on our way there, when we reach where we're going, I will let you guys know. So I soon call in the back, okay? Yeah, yes, baby, you can take. Good morning, guys. Good morning. So today hubby and I have some errands that we need to run on the road. So today is a work and travel kind of day. Yeah, so work and travel kind of day. So I'm excited. I don't know, we're not gonna have much to do because the kids are at school and we have to be back. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Welcome to another day in vlog. So it's Friday. Right now I'm going to refresh my flowers. My husband got me these either Wednesday or Thursday. The water is looking a little mucky, and it's starting to smell, so I want to change the water. And so far there's a couple that's dying, but there's not much dying, so I wanna do that, but no water in the air. I want to change the water, but there's no water. I have what do you call it, water commission. I have water, but that's drinking water. I'm not using my drinking water. I'm not using my drinking water for flowers. No, I'm not doing it. So I don't want them to. These are my absolute favorite flowers so far that my husband has purchased me, because the purple that's inside of them. Anyway, so we're not gonna get to do that today. I have a lash appointment. Tomorrow I have a facial. My face has been feeling really bad. And I just decided I want to treat myself. So I'm going to treat myself and get a facial. Get my lashes done. I was supposed to get my nails done tomorrow, but my nail tech rescheduled. So yeah, so I'm gonna get some acetone, soak off these, and just do a fresh set whenever I can. So I guess that's what we're doing for the weekend. Going to see a movie. I'm not even dressed cutesy or anything. I'm dressed so basic right now. But it's okay. It's okay. We were gonna go to Elsha. My husband was asking if I wanted to go to Elsha go have some fish because I've been craving for fish. But we'll have fish next week. And we'll do movies this week. Yeah, that's how we gonna do. That's how we gonna do. That's how we got so excited. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm missing like a jacket or something for the movies because your girl is so easy to get cold, and I'm about to get so cold. So cold. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. Oh guys, so the reason why my eyebrows aren't waxed, shaved, whatever, is because my lovely lash tech forgot that her girl was coming to get her eyebrows waxed. So she ran out of wax and I couldn't get my eyebrows waxed. So that's for another day and another time. But hopefully I can go do it somewhere else, probably tomorrow or so. I'm not sure. I'm so mad. I wish I wore something cute. Probably should have just gone to Elsha, because Elsha it wouldn't matter. But like, you know, you're going to the movies, you want to be dressed up nice and cute, even though it doesn't really matter. But yeah, your girl is always cute, always and forever cute, always. So I had bought this little perfume from my lash tech, and you guys can see it. And I can't see it, so I'm just gonna freshen up for this movies. Oh my gosh, what's the name of the perfume? Chic Socialite. The scents are, did you actually get it?
Finally, Jesus Christ, man. After how many years?
After so many years of going and not getting
hunting this thing down.
So we got fish pot, pepper shrimp, our favorite. But we tell us that it's hot. It's hot. Burn up your mouth, burn up your tongue, everything. To see we are drink down water tonight.
We buy the juice now.
We don't even buy juice now.
But we have a movie, so
yeah.
Can buy
juice and water there. So. Alright. Guys, how he's gonna drive, so I have to turn on my lights.
You like good music, I don't know what I'm doing.
Where's my lip gloss?
They have a couple movies.
But it's like, you said 9:10, it's no after 9 now. What, 9:11 now?
Movies just start.
We're just there now. Where's Scott something there? Advertisements?
Yeah.
Should I really wear something cute today now? But the girl is always cute. What are you thinking about?
parking. Come here, try to remember which part of the movie there again. If in here, so. I've read it in here, so.
No, it can't be right there. So see them at the renovation. So I done this. Oh, that's where they have it.
Oh, what?
It's a virtual something there. And I literally just passed it on Instagram. Literally not too long ago. I passed it on Instagram.
What's wrong with the name Greedy People?
Greedy people? That's one like Italian people.
Oh yeah, one name, Speak No Evil.
Speak No Evil?
That's
a scary movie. Let's see what's Greedy People.
Come, but then I can't hear this.
No, but we have to look.
But we have to ride on whistle.
Greedy People. That's what I was telling you guys that I wanted to go on. We did go in there? Me and you never go in this one.
Thanks. Should I put them on that?
You say the other nuggets?
Nuggets, do you want?
No, you're gonna know. I'm going to eat one of your own.
Still have to make it large, please. Still have to make it large, please.
All I want is one. I don't even know if it tastes good or not.
No, then you gotta eat the one and then you gotta like it and then you gotta want more than one and then you gotta shorten my little six.
Alright. Good afternoon, guys. So we are on our way. Today is such a busy day, and I was contemplating rescheduling my facial because we have some restocking of the store that we need to do, and my husband's gonna have the kids. So you feel a little selfish because you're gonna go take care of yourself. You feel so selfish, but you have to practice to take care of yourself. Yeah. Hi.
You never do it when man is something.
We never do it. No, we can't just do something else. Well, we had to do something else. On my tripod, don't forget. Smells like banana and avocado.
Aloe.
Aloe, okay.
But the two of them just help to soothe the skin from the abrasive treatment.
So I just finished my facial. I am so happy. The face is looking yeah, it was really relaxing. I just told her I wish it was longer because it was so relaxing. It was a treat indeed. So she does makeup, she does massages, she does pedicure, she does facials, she does it, okay? She does it all. Big up to the one and only Tamiko. So if you guys remember my husband's birthday vlog where we did the massage on the beach, she's the one who did the massage on the beach for us. So I didn't really get to give you guys like a full we did a deep pore cleansing facial. So yeah, that's what we did. So feel good. I feel real good. Got my lashes done, eyebrows need to be done, but it's workable, isn't it? It's workable. So yeah, let's go. Hey guys, so I just got a package, right? I ordered a perfume because I need a perfume. My perfume is finishing. No, let me be clear. I budget. So every fortnight I spend a certain amount of money, and after that I'm not spending any money. So I did my facial, I got my lashes done. My lashes was paid for like weeks ago, or the deposit. Got my facial, got my lashes, and I bought myself a perfume. So I treat myself. I don't believe you should be working. Once you're able to treat yourself, treat yourself. So I bought this fragrance. Once again, I am in love with Arabian smells, and right now I purchased this one called Binturan. So let's see what it looks like. I just got it. They just delivered it like a few minutes ago. Ooh, isn't this the cutest bottle ever? Yes, baby. You want sSOOOChev? I love it. Binturan. You want sSOOOChev? He calls perfume sSOOOChev because based on the sound. So yeah, it's nice. So I got it from a store on Instagram called Arabian Aroma. Just go off of, if my eye catches that one, there's the one that I want. It's a French coffee one, and they won't have it until 2 weeks. I'm going for it. I am going for it. Hey guys, hey, thank you so much for tuning in to today's vlog. We have come to the end. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Don't be stingy. Tell a friend. Share. I love you, but Jesus loves you more. Have a great day. Bye.